In this quick video, I'll show you how to view liked reels on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So to find liked reels, we just need to go to reels section. I will simply like this reel for this video, and then I need to find this reel. For that I just need to go to my profile. We can simply click on our profile icon, then go to these three lines, click on it, and now we need to go to your activity. You can see it here, and then we can see interactions of our account. I can simply see likes, comments and tags I did on other people's post. After that we need to click on likes. I can simply click on it, and then you can see I have found my liked reels and liked post here. If you have any liked reels which is very old, for that we can simply use filters here. We can simply sort by newest to oldest or oldest to newest. This way you can simply find your oldest liked reels, or we can simply sort it by dates, and multiple options are here. Also we can sort it by authors. For that we can simply click on it, and then we can simply search the author. Suppose I liked Mr. Beast reels, then I can simply search here Mr. Beast, and then I can simply select his account. I will simply see it here and then click on it, apply. Now you can see I found the reels I liked on Mr. Beast page. After that I can see it here. So this is the way you can find your liked reels on Instagram. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching.